Gawa siya ng assignment niya. And ako yung pinakaunang bumate in person. Tas hindi counted yung mga advance, ganyan. Kasi hindi pa February 2. Tapos, as in, sakto talaga kasi binilang ko yung seconds, ganyan. Kaya, oh yes.
Asan na gift ko?
Bye, guys! Okay, dagdag ko lang, guys. Alam niyo ba, nung birthday ko rin, nagre-review ako para sa exam. Tapos si ate naman sa birthday niya, ginagawa niya yung assignment niya. So,
Binati ba kita nun?
sister goals.
Binati ba kita nun?
Di ko alam. Actually, tulog ako. Nakatulugan ko pala yung birthday ko. Tapos nagising ako at mga 2 a.m.
Ay, oo, binati kita nung tulog ka.
Oo. Diba?
Kleng, happy birthday, Kleng.
Tapos nagising ako madaling araw na para mag-review ulit. Hi guys! So, kakauwi ko lang galing sa school and nakuha ko na yung pang-regalo ko para kay ate. And ito yon, baked sushi. And dalawa dapat to, kaso nakain na namin yung isa. Ayun. Isa na lang yung bibigay ko. Tapos may libreng seaweed. Dalawa rin to kasi dalawa yung order. Pero since nakain ko ng isa, ubos na rin to. And ayun, mamaya pa uuwi si ate. Yun. Guys, hashtag this is me eating the cake. Sarap. Look at the layers. Kasi yung outside niya, smooth chocolate. Oh gosh. Chocolate mousse. Ay, oo. Chocolate mousse. Layer. Water. Sige na yung anong kanta yan, mama?
Yung with me in St.
Okay.
Yung kay Carlo
May ano?
Ay, Bella Padilla.
Let you hold tight, stay for the night, always want you to know. I will keep you warm, wrap you in my arms and never let you go. Until the morning, until tonight, until the morning, until tonight. Oh, but your face again to change. When you touch me, it tastes great. Oh, yeah. Don't you hold me tight, stay for the night, always want you to know. I will keep you warm, wrap you in my arms and never let you go.